So in October, I did 229 orders. I made $9,300. So I've gone from 1,500, 6,000, 9,300.
And it was growing slowly, okay?
The sales started to come in, but then I noticed when I was looking at some of the metrics, there was a problem. My average order value was low, okay? I'd seen all the sales coming in and the number of the orders, and like I can see the revenue, but then I started to look at all these other metrics, right? And the average order value was low. Average order value is someone comes and pays you, you see the transaction, but the average order value is only a certain amount. In this case, it was $37. So after a bit of digging around, and doing a little bit of online research to these metrics, I discovered why my AOV was being affected. And it turns out it was my samples. I was making samples available, but I was only charging $1.